Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Wix using an easy method. This process allows you to manage all your website tags, like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel, from one central dashboard, saving you significant time and effort. To begin, make sure you have an active Google Tag Manager account and access to your Wix site's dashboard. We will walk through each step to ensure a smooth integration. Now, let's find your unique Google Tag Manager container ID. After logging into your GTM account, you will see a list of your containers. Select the specific container you wish to connect to your Wix website. Your container ID, which looks something like GTMXXXXXXX, will be prominently displayed near the top of the page. Carefully copy this entire ID, as it is crucial for the next part of our setup. With your GTM container ID in hand, head over to your Wix website dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Marketing Integrations. Within this section, you will find an option specifically for Google Tag Manager. Click Connect, then paste the GTM container ID you just copied into the designated input box. Finally, click Save to integrate Google Tag Manager with your Wix site. After saving, it is essential to publish your Wix website to ensure the changes take effect. To verify the connection, visit your live Wix site and use a tool like the Google Tag Assistant Legacy browser extension. This will confirm that your Google Tag Manager container is firing correctly. Once verified, you can confidently add and manage all your tracking tags directly within your Google Tag Manager account, streamlining your analytics efforts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.